So this is a framework I call the Goldie Ruffalo Constellation, and you've got several parts to this. So let me explain the 5 layers. Number one is the mission, right? What Ruffalo is. So Ruffalo is a dedicated home for running a whole team of agents on one job, right? It's not a chat. It's a platform. It's built for swarms from the team behind Ruffalo. So you bring the goal and it brings the team. So you can see, for example, here, you can give it a goal. Now, once you've done that, you can hit launch swarm, as you can see right here, and it launches the mission. So you can type what you want in one sentence into Ruffalo. No setup, no coding, no picking which agents to use what. They just go off and get stuff done. And then you can watch it live. This is the constellation. So you got 14 specialist agents appear. This is inside the agent operating system, and this is how I'd recommend you build it out. If you've never used an agent operating system before, it's going to save you a lot of time. You could do this directly inside a Claude Code terminal, but it wouldn't look as good, and also it'd be more difficult to manage. And then from there, you get the answer, right? So it assembles itself as it goes along. And then finally, you have the loop. And this is why it's so powerful, because Ruffalo on its own is an engine, but if you have an operating system or a mission control you've built, it's a team you can see, you can save, you can replay. And also it's got a shared memory with Obsidian, and that shared memory feeds every agent your business context. So the answer sounds like you, not generic stuff. Now you might say, okay, what are some use cases for this? Well, you could use it just for goals. You could use it for planning. You could use it on a live agent dashboard. You could have a shared memory between all your agents as well. And you can actually wire it to MCP tools as well, which is pretty cool. And the bigger the job, the better Ruffalo is going to be, because it has that whole team of AI agents working together. So if you're thinking about like when to use this versus other stuff, I would use Ruffalo for the big jobs. The launch plan, the deep research, the full content, the multi-step strategies. This is brand new. So the people who learn to run a whole team of agents now are going to be miles ahead when everyone else catches up. And every mission you create trains you as well. So you're training an agent, but it's also training you on how to manage agents